Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record incoming calls on Android phone without application. Okay, first of all, open your phone application on your Android phone. Then you're going to tap on this three dots button on the top right corner of your screen. Then select the settings option. And on the settings option, you have to click on record calls since we want to record incoming calls. Okay, and here we can activate the auto record calls. You can activate this feature by clicking on this toggle button, and now this auto record calls has been activated, and you can select the type of the calls or the incoming calls that you want to record. You can click on this option and you can select all calls, calls with unsaved numbers, calls with specific numbers, and I'm gonna go with calls with unsaved numbers. So calls with unsaved numbers that I get on this Android phone will be automatically recorded. Alright guys, and that's how we can record incoming calls on Android phone without application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.